Welcome all. We already started pair of straight line. Today we will see new topic in a straight line, and that's called as a parallel and perpendicular conditions problem. In that topic, first problem, on board find the equation of line parallel to the, this is the line, this parallel line, and passing through these 2 points. This is the condition parallel line. We know very well parallel condition m1 is equal to m2. When two lines are parallel to each other, then m1 is equal to m2. And when perpendicular to the line, when one line perpendicular to the another line, so m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. First, given data 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. This line compare with our standard equation of line, that is ax plus by plus c, hence slope we called as a m1, that is minus a upon b, minus as it is a is a 3 and b value is a minus 2, so 3 by 2 means m1 is equal to 3 by 2. Line is parallel, hence m1 is equal to m2, means m1 is equal to m2 is equal to 3 by 2, that is our m. Remember this one, when lines are parallel, then m1 is equal to m2 is equal to 3 by 2, that is our m. Points are given to us. Points are 5 and minus 6. This called as a x1 and y1. Now we use slope point formula. Slope point formula is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. And find out the standard line equation. Y minus y1, y1 is minus 6 is equal to m 3 by 2, x minus x1 is 5. So 2 multiply left hand side, y plus 6 minus minus get plus, that is 3 as it is x minus 5. 2 multiply by both elements, so 2y plus 12 is equal to 3x minus 50. You can shift LHS to RHS or you can shift RHS to LHS. So final answer is we shift left hand sides all element in right hand sides, that is 3x minus 2y minus 15 minus 12 is equal to 0. Hence final line equation is 3x minus 2y minus 15 minus 12, that is minus 27 is equal to 0, which is required line equation. That is the final answer for this problem. This is the parallel condition problem. Now we start another problem, but in that problem condition is perpendicular. Say given data, given line equation is 4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. You compare this equation compare with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Hence slope, that is m, that is minus a upon b. Minus sign as it is, a value is 4 and b value is minus 1. That is 4 by 1. That is 4 by 1 means 4. M we just called as a m1. But line is perpendicular to others, that's called as the points. So line is perpendicular, hence our rule m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Put the slope m1 value is 4 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 is equal to minus 1 by 4. That is our new slope. Now points you know very well. Given data that is points. Points is 2 and minus 3. So 2 is called as x1 and minus 3 is called as a minus y1. Sorry, y1. Slope point form. Use slope point rule formula. That rule y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. x1 and y1 value replace as well as m. M means m2, that's called as m. x1 value is 2 and y1 value is minus 3 and m is minus 1 by 4. So all these three values put in equation. Y minus y1 value is minus 3, m value is minus 1 by 4, x minus x1 value, x1 is 2. So solve this equation and find out the standard equation of line. 4 is multiply left hand side and this is the y plus 3 is equal to minus side x minus 2. So 4y plus 12 is equal to minus 6 plus 2. All right hand side element will shift on left hand side. So x plus 4y plus 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. Hence final answer is plus 10 is equal to 0, which is the required line equation. This is the parallel and perpendicular line. We just see all parameters, both problems. Final topic in parallel and perpendicular. This element we just show as a when in your problem when parallel condition is occur, then m1 is equal to m2, this remember element, and second condition is perpendicular, so m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. This is important for parallel and perpendicular condition. Write down all problems. Thank you.